Yiwu is a county-level city in Zhejiang Province, China, and has become one of the most developed places in China, with an area of 110,000, which has created 1/60 of China's exports. Yiwu's economic characteristics can be simply summarized as small and large. Yiwu's smallness means small commodities and small enterprises. In business, Yiwu is an elephant from a distance, but an elephant composed of small ants from a near distance. These are both pros and cons of Yiwu. In terms of product classification, Yiwu mainly produces small commodities for daily use: clothing, shoes and clothing, bedding, kitchen utensils, etc. The product classification is miscellaneous, but they are all life-related products. For the industrial level, the overall added value is low, mainly labor-intensive industries, with low prices. There is little difference in products, and the factory can do what it can do with strong substitutability, lack of innovation, and bad competition. So the suppliers of the factory here mainly rely on low prices to take orders. In terms of factory scale, factories in Yiwu are mainly family enterprises, and many factories are too small, so they are called family workshops. These workshops are all over Yiwu. Generally, they only do one working procedure. They may buy 2 sewing machines and zippers, or they may buy 2 punching machines to punch in their own homes, or they may do some manual working procedures and charge for piecework. After receiving the order, the larger factory can only send the order to such a workshop for production. Because the order quantity is large, all the factory capacity has been fully arranged. Therefore, the price in Yiwu is always lower than that in Fujian and Guangdong provinces. This info, suppliers won't tell you. However, such low price and competition lead to the large production and single order quantity of Yiwu products. If the small single order quantity cannot support the operation of a factory, just like an air conditioner shop, it can make money by selling 1 air conditioner a day. But for a towel shop, it may need to sell 200 pieces a day to make a profit. Such big and small size directly leads another shortcoming of Yiwu products: poor quality. After decades of renovation made in China, China's overall quality has been in the forefront of the world. However, compared with Fujian province and Guangdong province, Yiwu's product quality is still deviated. The main reason is that the price is low. The products cannot be sold at a price, so we have to reduce expenses and costs in raw materials, machinery, factory management, and other aspects. On the other hand, it is also because of throttling in all aspects that the products cannot be sold at a price, which causes a vicious circle. For consumers, especially those in developed countries in Europe and America, the pursuit of quality is getting higher and higher. However, Yiwu model is not conducive to improving quality, which is contrary to consumers' vision. In addition, in the past 2 years, more and more people shop online, and the quality of products directly determines the seller's evaluation. That evaluation led to a decline in sales. Of course, this is only the practice of some factories. For some far-sighted and quality-conscious Yiwu factories, the product quality may be better than that of Guangdong and Zhejiang. Therefore, importers should be careful when choosing factories and suppliers.